Aussies, welcome back. Welcome to my Australia Day brekkie. Okay, what we're going to need for this is some sausages, bacon, eggs, onion, tomato, mushroom, slices of cheese. We're going to need some bread and we need some muffins for the kids, salt and pepper and some Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to put our sausages on because we want to half cook them first. Basically we're going to do it so everything's ready all at once. Alrighty, while the sausages are on and cooking, we want to slice up some cheese. You want to take the two ends off the tomato and cut it in half. You want to slice up your onion. Now when it comes to the mushroom, you want to take your thing off it. You want to slather it in butter, and then when we go to cook it, we put a wad of butter this side and we cook it this side up first. Once our sausages are halfway there, I want to put a bit of butter down, chuck the onion on next. Alright, so we just butter one side, smack her on there. Now with our mushroom, we just put a bit of butter on the bottom and we turn it up that way and we cook it that way. Now we cook the tomatoes and the mushrooms for 5 minutes like that. 5 minutes later, keep turning our sausages, our onion, flip our tomatoes over, flip our mushroom over. Now we put on our bacon, and a couple of minutes after the bacon goes on, we put the eggs on. First thing we do is butter up some toast, line it with some cheese. Little dust of cracked pepper, and the Aussiest thing in the world and the much yummiest thing to do in the world is put a few drops of Worcestershire sauce, like that, on your eggs. Yeah, it's amazing. You've got to try it. Boom. Got a breakfast for kings and queens, mate. Now for the kids, you toast up a muffin. Boom. Sausage and egg muffin for the kids. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I've given you a few ideas for Australia Day brekkie anyway. Now just remember, the more you drink, the more you eat. Stay safe and have a great weekend. Bye.